To lab, I know it's been a while, but I was securing my family, new homeowner, got that out the way. That was very important for me. So right now, I'm getting back to creating these videos. So if you first time probably watching any of my videos, please like and subscribe. I'm back giving out these tips about barbering, about just business in general. And today I have two new machines, equipment, clippers, two new clippers that I just copped from another barber. That's how I save money. This is probably the deal of the century, exaggeration, but it was a great deal I got for this combination. It's the calibers, 50 cal BMG, 22 stingers. Yes, so I copped these. Man, I got a great deal, probably more than half price on these for the combo. He didn't like the clippers. So I decided to get them. So I'm gonna check them out. All right, I think we already know what's in the boxes. They already come with the standard, charging, but I'm not here for that. I'm here to see, can I get the performance I want out of it? Because I'm going to put different blades on these right here. I'm putting different blades on these, okay? So let's start with this one. So the 50 cal, man, they remind me of pretty much of, the Evos, the Ergos, and I got these right here. All right. So my Mythics also, I like the RPMs on them. So I also have these, right? See that blade on these? Taper blade with the 50 cal here. But the one thing about, I love these, but the reason why I decided to get the 50 mg, because they are more powerful than these. So they more on a scale, more just a little bit more power than these. But I do like these when it's come to fading. Nothing about bulk removal or anything like that. It can do it. All clippers could remove bulk. It might take a little bit more time, but here and there. But these are good for blending. So the reason I got these, because I like how they look. Right? I like how they look. Let's get them out this box. I like how these bad boys look. I'm gonna keep the blackness on them. I'm gonna keep the blackness on them. All right. They sound good. I like magnetic motors now. I'm addicted to them. And the difference between the 50 cal and the Mythics, right, and all the other ones, these come standard with the deep cutter. These come standard with the deep cutter. Like right here, it comes standard with the deep cutter. That means, in essence, these machines are made to cut through bulk with a little bit more power, because the caliber comes with the shadow tooth cutter. But technically, how clippers usually come, they are made to cut that way. So that's why even my Mythics, the Ergos, they all come with the shadow tooth cutter. The shadow tooth. These come with the deep tooth cutter. That's why I decided to get them. That means if I go through bulk with the deep tooth cutter, with the 10,000 RPMs, and that, it should be able to handle better. And also, it probably have a different blend for different hair textures, because every hair cutting is different situation for different clippers. That's one thing I learned about this. So what I decided to do with these right here, I'm gonna put, let's see if I get this thing to focus. I'm gonna put my fusion blade on these machines. I'm gonna put the fusion blade on these machines. So let me go ahead and get, they already come standard with the screw. That's the only thing I'm really changing on these 50 cals. I heard high. Everybody say they love them. I see why. They very feel good in the hand and they light with power. And if you're a busy barber, lighter is always better in certain situations. I still like my method because of the weight, as far as the style of it. So I'm pretty much just swapping the blade on these. That's all I'm doing. I'm just putting my fusion blade onto this machine. If you don't know about the fusion blade, probably the best blade out here, man. Most versatile blade probably ever. Let's make sure. Let's go ahead and just zero gap these. Make sure. I really don't need these two zero gap because actually I want these to be able to fade out. I'm not gonna zero gap these because I don't need to be zero gap. I got other clippers to be that is zero gap. These aren't to be balding or things like that. This is typically for cutting. So I don't need it to be zero gap. I just need it to be almost just close enough. So when I do open it up, it will be able to fade out. It will be able to fade out. My guidelines, when if I'm using like a half or even sometimes just a 1, I can just use that to fade out. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the box. Keep this blade in here. Change out this charging port. Pull this charging port out. I'm gonna switch this on up with one of the other machines and we'll be good to go. Alright, set that bad boy right there. Alright, I'm gonna finish this one. And the other one that I done, I wasn't really thinking about getting these 22 stingers, but it came with a deal. And come to find out, this is the deal that really reason why I got these. Because Stylecraft blades with the one cutter and any Stylecraft blade fits on this machine. So I could put, if I wanted to put this blade on here, let's go ahead, let's put my hand up. Put my hand up. If I want to put this blade on here, I can. If I want to put this blade on here, I can. If I wanted to put this blade on here, on this 22, I can. But the blade I am putting on this machine is this blade. With the one cutter on here. That's why I bought these. I haven't seen a video. Everybody putting these mod blades on these machines. I don't really mess with mod blades. The only mod blades I really mess with that wasn't too bad was the Filthy Blends with see, just stand it. Look at there. No mods needed. Stylecraft with the one cutter, no mods needed. The only one I really used mod was the Filthy Blends with the Andes and Walls. That's pretty much it. But on trimmers, there's too many good blades out here to be modding out. It doesn't make sense. It's not that serious. And with these Stylecraft blades, man, with the one cutter change is a game changer. I don't know if nobody ain't got it. I don't know why. Let's see, sound test. Woo! me turn down mine. It's a little too bright. Yeah, so you can put my hand up on it. There we go. Fits perfect, man. Wow. I'll let you hear it. Watch this thing just cut. Oh yeah. These things are tough. Yeah, I like those. Yeah, I might make all of them gold. I got the gold thing going. I'm gonna keep it black though. Black is always good. Keep them black. Keep my blade up in here. That's about it, man. The new setup. See if I can get. Yeah. They on the station. They on the station. They are on the station. And that's it for this video. I will be I'll probably be doing some shorts on how they been cutting. So just follow my channel. I'll drop a couple of shorts on the work they put out like this. Well, yeah, this is money. I'm definitely gonna see how they fade with my other combination. Definitely gonna see how they fade. But appreciate it. All right. Got a client calling right now. And we out. And please like and subscribe to the channel. Peace. Alright, this is my cap of the day with my 50 cals. Alright, my 50 cals and my 22 stingers. Dope. .22 stingers. I switched it up too. Yeah, I switched it up. Switched it up. I like the classic blade. Preference. A lot of things I like about it. But great combination. Money. This is my, and I do have the one cutter on here. And I kept the original deep tooth cutter on this one with this Vapor blade, the Fusion Vapor blade. This is a winning combination. So you're looking for something new, I got this on a great deal. Great deal. Like I said, you can't, hey man, when you see a great deal, man, jump on it. A lot of times I wait before I buy clippers. I know the instincts and everything else is out right now. Cool. I held the instincts in my hands, kind of small. I heard good things about the 50 cal, and these got power with this blade. It cut through bolt with ease like butter. It blends very well because we all know how good this blade fades. It's a great combination with this 3-hour runtime, magnetic motor, power, quiet. I'm gonna just put it this way. I enjoy this machine. The reason why I enjoy this machine, because it's a 10,000 RPMs without the power. A lot of people like power, but power is only good when necessary, not all times. This is a better blending because it has no power, so it softens the blend when it cuts. It's gonna give a softer cut. That's why I like this. This is like, you could fade, you can speed up your tempo with this when you're fading. And if you see any type of thing that you want to get, you pull this out and it will feather them light and dark spots, them dark areas that you see. You want to get that out, this is it. You can go right there to it, freehand-it, little probably if you want to use a guard, but it's such a soft, fast cutter that it feathers the hair as it cuts. It's kind of like a thinning shear cutter, man. Like, this is why this blends so good. And with that combination, and I just like this blade, man. This blade right here is good. With the one blade, man, I found me a great deal, a great steal. And sometimes, like you said, another man's trash becomes another man's treasure. And this is a new treasure I got for a great price. Put it this way, it was under half price. Under the half price that probably everybody paid full price, I paid under half price for this. And it's brand new in the box. Probably used it for one day. Change the blade that I have already, put on a great machine, great, well built, different, and man, it made my job fun today, which I enjoy. Like I said, please like and subscribe to the channel. And this is just a recap for the day. And if you're ever interested about this machine, if you ever thought about it, hey, if you want me to do a review about this, why I purchased it, comment below. Comment below. And this is Roy the Barber. You're in the lab, life around barbering. You know, your profession is your life, because that's how you provide for your family and everything else. And we in the lab and we out. I'm about to go and sit, you know, end the day with family. All right. Hey man, please like and subscribe, like the channel. Any thoughts and concerns, leave the comments down below, and I'll see you later.